What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
Sometimes a person has land, but he does not have a house because he doesn't have the money to build it. But this is not a problem. So in order to start building the house, you do not need money, but the thing you need most is motivation. When a person has the motivation and desire to build a home of his own, he's made a big step towards it, and he'll surely fulfill his dream and get the house he's always dreamed of. The project can be implemented by yourself if you have the desire and persistence, because this is not far-fetched, as we note in our lives now. There are many tools that help you build a house at the lowest costs, and the internet is one of the most important means. You can learn about the various engineering designs for small houses. You can also know from the internet how to design it from the inside and learn about all the stages that follow until your house becomes open to housing. The man and his wife, who worked together in the same company, obtained land as a gift from their employer, but they did not have the money to build it. And when they got their 2-month vacation, they decided to build the house without money. Who'd be able to do that? When the husband named John told his neighbors that he wanted to build a house without money, everyone laughed at him and thought he'd lost his senses. But the latter believed in the capabilities of him and his wife. Initially, the man paved the ground with hand-digging tools, then dug trenches to prepare the foundation of the house. When he finished, he brought sand, wedges, cement, gravel, and the rest of the building materials, and then the work began. His wife used to help him in building materials while he was mixing reinforced concrete and building walls. Although the task was difficult at first because John does not have enough experience in this field, but he gets used to the matter within the passage of days. When the man finished building the first floor, he put a roof of concrete and then decided to construct the second floor of wood, where he bought some wood from one of the stores to sell the old furniture for a small amount. And he stayed on a few videos on YouTube. Then he built the roof. He put a roof so amazing after the neighbors thought they would fail when he reached the roof because the task of the construction is very difficult. It took about 6 months of work. Although the man and his wife exhausted their leave and returned to work in the company, they continued to work at home after leaving the company. And they spent the whole weekend at work. Although their salary was not huge, they managed to build the house and support 4 children at the same time. The 2-story house cost only about $1,500. The couple went out and had no money, and with their small salary, managed to construct this beautiful house that surprised all the neighbors around it. The couple hopes to continue to implement their plan, which is to design the house from the inside and paint it and make it comfortable, in addition to furnishing it for the sake of completing the dream. John gave an example of the industrious man who could fulfill his dreams without money. And he assured us that money is not everything in this life, but the individual's will, determination, and sound thinking can make the difference in this life and enable him to get what he wants in this life. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.